welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Ellie, and as you can see, we are in my kitchen again, and today we're gonna do another recipe. I love the cooking videos because I love to eat, and today we're gonna do muffins stuffed with Nutella. Yes, I love Nutella, guys. So if you want to see this video and enjoy it with me, please just keep watching. Okay, let's get started. First, I'm gonna show you the ingredients. We're gonna use cake mix. This is the yellow flavor. It's really good and it has all the instructions in the back. And for the muffins, you will need 3 eggs, a cup of water, half a cup of vegetable oils, and this is for the muffin. Now for the stuffing, you will need Nutella, of course, and baking spray so the cookies doesn't stick to the pan. So this is all the ingredients. Now let's put it all together. Once you already mix all the ingredients and your mix is good to go, you're gonna put the oven to preheat 350, and you're gonna get your baking spray and you're gonna put it all over the muffin container. And with an ice cream scoop, you're gonna get the mix little by little and you're gonna fill all the holes so we can start making our muffins. Don't fill it up to the top, just a little, because we don't want the muffins to be all out and ugly. We just want them to have a cute form, okay? So once you have it all like this, now we're gonna put it in the oven for 15 minutes and I'll show you how they look like when they're done. My muffins are done and they took 15 minutes, but remember, it depends of your oven and also it will depends of the minutes. What you're gonna do is you're gonna see your muffins and you're gonna get a toothpick and you're gonna put it inside the muffin. And if it comes out clean, that means that the muffin is done. You will see there that the minutes will change, depends of your oven. So this is the best way to see if your muffins are done. Now we're gonna let our muffins cool down for a little bit and I'm gonna show you how you can proceed with the stuffing. So my muffins already cooled off for a little bit and I have this product right here that I bought it on Wish and I love it. I love it. It's so good and convenient and it was so cheap. And what this does is that you're gonna get your muffin and then you're gonna put it in the bottom. We're gonna do it in the bottom instead of the top because we want them to look pretty. So we're gonna put it in the bottom part and then we're gonna rotate it. Once you have it like this, you're gonna put it out slowly and it's gonna have this. And you see how cool that looks. Now I put the Nutella in this Ziploc bag. If you don't have the professional one, this is a DIY project that you can get a Ziploc bag and you can put your Nutella inside and cut this side right here. You see this? You can cut it and then the Nutella is gonna come out there. So now what we're gonna do is gonna stuff my muffins with Nutella, just like that, not that much. And you see this? Now we're gonna put it back. And you're gonna put some pressure there. And no one's gonna know that your muffins are all stuffed with Nutella. This is amazing! So now we're gonna do the same thing to all the muffins. Okay guys, once you have all your muffins all prepared like this, you see how cute they look? It looks like nothing is going on, like it's a regular muffin, but as soon as you bite into it, oh my god, you're gonna have that flavor of Nutella. Oh my god. So if you know me, you know I'm obsessed with chocolate, Nutella, everything that is related to chocolate. So I need to try one for you guys. I'm gonna get this one right here, but I'm gonna get more Nutella and I'm gonna put it all in the top. Yes, I'm gonna create like a cupcake. Yes, yes, yes. Just like that. Okay. I will warn you, all my mouth, my teeth and everything, they're gonna be covered in Nutella. But I need to try this, okay? Look at that. The taste. The taste of vanilla with, you know, the vanilla cupcake with the Nutella, and oh my god, it's heaven. I need to finish this, okay guys? And I think I'm gonna eat the rest of them all by myself. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell so every single time that I upload a new video, you will be the first one to see it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Super easy, delicious, and who doesn't love Nutella? Bye, see you next time.